Today I'll show you how to lower the rear end of a C4 Corvette that's anywhere from 1984 to 96. Pretty simple, just changing out a couple of bolts. And took about 10 minutes aside, very simple. Went from 28 to 27, 1 inch. Simply jack up the car and remove the rear wheel. Once the wheel is removed, locate the bolt and remove the cotter pin. Be sure to take the pressure off the rear leaf spring before removing the bolt. Reinstall the new longer bolt and bushings. Now with the new longer bolt and bushings in place, remove the pressure from the rear leaf spring.